I've been doing some insulation in here. The areas that I haven't insulated yet, so I'm putting the insulation on the metal surfaces in here, and also in these areas that it's a little bit harder to reach. This is 9mm thick, so we have 18mm, so 2 layers of the insulation in here. And in this area I'm gonna put also on top of the metal surface to cut the cold bridge. And in down here, I don't know if you can see, but...
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing campervan. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
In this area, where all the sand and stuff like that collects when this was like a basic van, this area collect all the moisture if there is some down here, and also dirt and sand and stuff like that. I clean up these areas with wire brush and vacuum cleaner, and then I applied some rust converter, give it a little bit heat with the heat gun and let it sit for a while, and then I spray the hollow section spray, like a wax or something like that. And we have here the fittings for the panels outside, the plastic panels. So these holes I'm going to fill with the beetle. So these are the clips for the side panels, and I'm going to add some butyl on these holes. They have like a little gasket in here, but I'm going to add butyl here and then put this back in. So all of these holes need to be filled with the butyl. Okay, just repeat the same thing with the other little plastic clips. Yeah, the one moves, but can you see the light is back on? That tells that you have water in the fuel filter. So I need to drain the fuel filter again. So yeah, but the van moves, so it's again a step forward with the build. I've been doing some cleanup in here. This is full of all kinds of nails, screws, little pieces of metal. Been using this magnet, so easier to find all the things. van a little test drive. Rainy day. So now we are driving the van to the new location. Everything else seems to work, but the indicator doesn't work on the driver's side. I don't know why. And the speedo is not working either. So need to fix those. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is like a shortcut. So yeah, there is some kind of warning light on the dash related to the brakes. It might be the sensors for the brake pads, because I added brake fluid, so it's full, so that's not the issue. Okay, so now we are in the new location. Van is now in new location. It's next to my house and my little garage. But yeah, I think I'm gonna finish the job in here. I already did a little installation with the electrics. So they are on top of the insulation. And I thought that this would be the way I should install this. And I think it would work just fine. Yeah, I have put some electrics for the lights in the skylight area. Have like a frame in here that have LED lights. Yeah, I have some wires for the USB sockets as well. They are the wires are 2.5 square millimeters for the USB and 1.5 for the lights and stuff like that don't draw so much amperage. But I cannot install all the wires now because I need the frame for the bed, so I can run the wires nearby the bed frame. But yeah, although now it's much more easier that I have everything in here. It's nicer to work after come from my day job. Then I can work like an hour or 2 or 3 hours. It's easy, and then I can go in, make food or something like that. So yeah, it's pretty nice this way now.